This voice you're hearing now is synthesized by Clovis technology. Hello and welcome to NAVER Cloud Platform's data center. Come and meet NAVER Cloud Platform's new data center, the merging of cutting-edge technology and eco-friendly operations. Let's look at the ideas of NAVER Cloud Platform, in which the data center is built and operated. This data center is located in Chuncheon and is one of the data centers operated by NAVER Cloud Platform. Click the arrow on the screen to look around the exterior of the data center. NAVER Cloud Platform has built its data centers for the huge responsibility of treasuring human knowledge and handing it down to posterity. As you can see from the name of its first data center, Gok, the starting point was Gyeonggak, where the tree Pitaka koreana is preserved. The NAVER Cloud Platform's data center has been built to blend in well with the surrounding environment, as well as for stable operation and the secure preservation of data. NAVER Cloud Platform believed that eco-friendly technologies were essential for the sustainable growth of data centers. At our data centers, the use of electricity is minimized by utilizing renewable energy, and water and heat are recycled. Here in the lobby, identification takes place for visitors who applied for prior visiting permissions. Only the visitors who have cleared all security authentication requirements, including iris registration, may enter. This tour is planned to go in the order of powered, server, cooling, and operation management. Now, let's start the data center tour. A stable security operates 24/7 and is applied with the low power loss design. Our technology includes a backup power system to keep services online during natural disasters or other events with the potential to be disruptive. This place here is the electrical room, which is the heart of data center. Here, electricity from KEPCO is adjusted to the proper voltages and distributed to all of the places that require power supply. The voltage of electricity that NAVER Cloud Platform's data center receives from the substation is 22,900 volt. This has to be transformed into 380 volt or 220 volt to supply power to specific IT equipment or facilities. Check out the efforts we make for safe and efficient transformation. A stable supply of power is essential for an interrupted operation of critical equipment, such as servers. To achieve this, we have implemented a UPS system that will never allow even the shortest of power outages. This place here is the SDS room, located inside the data center's server building, for more stable supply of power. Let's also look at the flow of the data center's computer power supply. Planning for a data center begins with determining the scale and the structure of the server room, how to supply power continually, and how to connect network devices in the most effective way. NAVER Cloud Platform's data center has also taken these things into consideration into its server room plan for stable and efficient operations. In the server room, which is the very core of the data center, an even stronger security system has been put into use. Only people carrying a separately issued admission card may enter the facility after their iris information registered in the lobby is identified. The stable operation of servers is also directly linked to the safety of data. To effectively manage a vast quantity of servers, NAVER Cloud Platform's data center was built according to an elaborate plan, utilizing various technologies. The server room of NAVER Cloud Platform's data center closely resembles the appearance of Gak at Sa Temple. You can affirm this fact by taking a look at the facilities and the design elements that make up the server room. NAVER Cloud Platform has devoted a great deal of effort to use energy more efficiently in the data center. For this, we have manufactured customized racks and servers. We also have continued to improve the server room's cooling system and use LED lighting devices for the entire building. Due to the latest technological innovations in cloud computing, AI, and robotics, the amount of data has become even more enormous. To effectively respond to this trend, we are operating a separate high-power server room. As much as it is crucial to send our data to users promptly and accurately, our approach toward the network has to be extraordinary. IT equipment like servers may fail or become inoperable if their temperature cannot be maintained effectively. Because data integrity is influenced by how consistently the server room temperature is maintained, we operate cooling devices to dissipate heat and cool servers. NAVER's data center is reducing the use of electricity and carbon emissions by effectively applying cooling devices that rely on natural energy. We have developed a customized air cooling system to ensure both the safety and energy efficiency of servers. Each time we build a new server building, we're gradually improving the air cooling system. First of all, let's take a look at the new AMU implemented at the data center. NAVER Cloud Platform has constantly looked for the possibility of improvements and continued research to create a more efficient air cooling system than the conventional AMU. Here is the next generation air cooling system, called NAMU, created through such efforts. The machine room is where the chiller for air conditioning is located. It is the most quiet place within the data center except for the summertime. That is because natural wind cools the server room most of the time without using the chiller. Here is the rooftop floor of the server hall. There is the cooling tower to cool down the chiller and the ventilation fan to discharge the air from the server rooms. Here is the exhaust fan for quickly discharging the hot air generated from the servers. Managing valuable data without loss is the most critical mission of the data center. We ensure the safety of data by applying an automated system for stable operation of this large-scale facility and to protect services from various security threats. Thorough management of the data center and systematic data operation methods are the essential conditions to safely store data for a long period of time. Let's take a look at the efforts we are making for this. The Green Energy Control Center is the name of the place where the data center facilities of NAVER Cloud Platform are controlled. Not only do we monitor the facility status here, but we also work hard to improve energy efficiency. This is the ID Service Control Center. This is the place where real-time integrated control is performed to ensure that approximately 600 services that NAVER provides are being properly delivered to users. NAVER Cloud Platform operates a specialized security technical team and responds to various security threats in real time. We safely protect the NAVER Cloud Platform services with the help of our long experience of upholding security measures and the security-related tools we have developed. What is the flow of NAVER's data before reaching us? Data created by NAVER users arrives at the data center via the ISPs that provide the internet services. The data goes through a security check to ensure it is free of malware infection, then is distributed to the storage servers via routers. If a user calls the stored data, the data moves out of the data center and is sent to the user's PC or mobile device via the ISPs. We hope this information has given you a greater understanding of the operations of the NAVER Cloud Platform's data center. We will always do our best to protect your data and provide stable NAVER Cloud Platform services. Thank you.